Alright guys, white sapote right here. Size is pretty good. It's a size a little bit bigger than a tennis ball, and super delicate. I mean, if you see right there, it's already been damaged from it rubbing up against a trunk or a piece of wood or a stem from the tree. Just rubbing up against the stem damages the fruit, which is why it's not too commonly available at stores. But it's pretty sad because this fruit is delicious. I'll cut into it now so you guys take a look. There's a seed inside. I mean, really, the way I eat it is I'll just start biting it like an apple, but for the video's sake, I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. Look at that. There's a few seeds. In this tree, I've noticed there's like 1 or 2 large seeds and then 3 or 4 very small pumpkin-like seeds. But look how juicy it is. You can see it gleaming, glistening. It's delicious. I eat it with the skin. Some varieties have bitter skin. Other varieties have very edible skin. I usually eat it with the skin, so here we go. Wow. Very sweet, a little tangy, has a little lemony kick to it. Each fruit is different. Each fruit has a little different taste. But most common thing I taste is vanilla, number 1. A little bit of banana, a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of papaya. Yeah. It has the texture of avocado, but the sweetness, melon. That's what I was thinking of. It has like a white melon or musk melon. If you've ever tried like a cantaloupe, like a very ripe cantaloupe, that's very close description of what this tastes like, along with those other flavors like mango, a little bit of pineapple, a little bit of banana and all that. So it's pretty complex. It's very delicious. Try to get a tree if you can and grow this. Anywhere lemons grow, you can grow white sapote and you'll have this delicious fruit. And there's no season on it. This tree bears year round. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep eating, guys. Thanks for watching.